once you connect and install your BMS pedal tuner, you have 3 or 4 colors, which are your tunes pretty much. And this is your stock. Can't see it. It's a mixture of colors like green, red, blue, just like the first color you see. Then you hit it, and it's full green. That's map 1. This amber mixer green is map 2, and you have your red one, which is map 3, and that's race mode. And then here you can finely tune, like if I'm on race and I want to bump it up a little more, hit it up, and you can finely tune each map. And to calibrate, once you connect it, to calibrate it, you hold both buttons, it will blink, and you press your pedal, and you will see this light up. That's when it's calibrated. And then after that, you're all set. You just pick what color you want, what map, and you're ready to go. So I'll be hitting this for a test drive, and we'll see how it is. All right, so this is our test, and we will see how it feels. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is crazy. This thing goes. It just feels more responsive. You can definitely feel the throttle. Yeah. Yeah, this thing feels nice. Just doing another run. And yeah, you can feel it. It's definitely worth it. Definitely. Oh my God, this is nice. Definitely worth it. I mean, it just cuts that lag, that turbo lag, that responsiveness. It's just way better. Just down to the touch. It's just, oh my God. This is fun. Awesome. Yeah, way faster.